Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 12th of March, 2013. You know what that means? This is the 20th anniversary of the great blizzard of 1993. Are you old enough to remember? Boy, I am. Remarkable storm, 13 inches officially at Birmingham. By the way, these are viewer-submitted pictures over the past couple of days, people scanning those old prints. Some of the suburbs had 20 inches. We had wind gusts to hurricane force on Red Mountain, convective snow, a remarkable storm. See the blog for much more today. But let's take a look at the current images. These were taken early this morning. No snow on this March the 12th. That's the sky cam from Tuscaloosa, just clear and chilly. Let's look at downtown Jasper and downtown Fayette. Got a big trough over the east, and that's pushed the rain out of here. What a soaker yesterday. Some spots had over 2 inches of rain, but it's clear and cold this morning. Readings are in the 30s. We'll expect the high today around 60. Around the nation, pretty cold up north, and again, we're going to see a cooling trend in the short term. Tomorrow is going to be a windy and cool day with highs dropping into the middle 50s, and a freeze is likely by Thursday morning. It is way, way too early to plant anything harmed by a freeze or a frost. I mean, this is only March 12th. I'd wait a month. Really, I always tell people, if you want to be perfectly safe, wait until April 15th. We've actually had a freeze here later than that, but odds of having a freeze past tax day are very, very low. Around the nation, very quiet for March. I mean, no winter storms to speak of. Some issues up in the Dakotas, but nothing too serious. No flooding, no severe weather, nice and quiet. And really, it looks dry for a while. This is the rain through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. Shows a smidgen over northeast Alabama. I don't think we see that. I think we'll be dry until maybe early next week. Nice long dry spell for March. This is the OZGFS, valid at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. There's the troughing over the east. Down below that, cool air advection. Highs in the upper 50s today. I don't know if we can see 60 with that. And a pretty good little breeze out of the north. And tomorrow, the gradient's even tighter. The big old 133 high. It's over East Oklahoma. 540 line drops down pretty far, so highs will be in the low to mid 50s. It'll be a sunny day, but a blustery day. Thursday morning, again, I think we'll see upper 20s here. Some of the colder pockets might see mid-20s as the surface high is very close to us. But during the day, we'll warm up nicely, the high around 60. And then Friday, oh yeah, it's going to start to feel good, the high close to 70. And the weekend, we are headed for the low to mid-70s. A beautiful day on Saturday. The latest GFS showing 72. And then Sunday, the GFS is printing a high of 74. Partly sunny both days, a little breezy, but the gradient's not that tight. We do note rain north of here along a northward moving warm front that will not affect us. And then Monday of next week, a little shortwave energy coming in, and that would squeeze out some rain. But this is not a severe weather look. And anytime you get a system in March without a severe weather look, that's a good thing. And then Tuesday, that feature is long gone. So the model's adjusting a little bit on the timing of that system early next week, with the GFS now suggesting we'll have that chance of rain on Monday. Later in the month, couple of opportunities. This is March 22nd. Looks pretty wet, doesn't it? They're showing rain amounts of about 2 inches there over North Alabama with a surface low north of us. We'll monitor that for severe weather potential. A pretty good bit of cold air behind that. And then 3 days later on the 25th, a very wet weather system, and that's not a severe weather look with a surface low south of here. So this run a little more active than other runs, showing pretty big rains maybe on the 22nd, the 25th. And the end of the forecast on the 27th, we're dry, but a new storm is forming out there in the Great Plains. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And don't forget to watch us on the live stream or the television side this evening. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, this is Ross with my partner Bob. We have a show called Worldview Matters.
And Ross, as you know, we believe that everything in life is somehow related to how people view the world around them.
Our show is available on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app. Also available on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.